How to show or hide suggestion strip in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on Gboard settings, and in here we tap on preferences, then we scroll down and tap on suggestion strip. Tap on the toggle button to show or hide this feature. Here, if I switch it off, you can see at the top here it will not show the suggestions as I type. And here, if I switch it on, if I turn on share suggestion strip, and then if I type, you can see here it will suggest words that I can use. And that's it. So that is the suggestion strip in Gboard. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.